Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another shopping challenge. However, today we're doing a shopping challenge with food.
We're going to choose out of the bowl from 4 supermarkets and we have a £25 budget for a weekly shop.
Pretty much see how much we can get for £25. I don't think we can get a lot because I feel like food is so expensive. Yeah, food is really expensive and £25 you could literally buy 2 items, but we're going to try to be as conscious as possible when shopping and spending and see how far £25 really can go. We don't buy our fruit and veg from the supermarket. However, as it will be a weekly shop, we have to do that. A bit different for us, but we need to try and make it as realistic as possible for a household for a weekly shop. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's choose. It's between Tesco, Morrison's, Sainsbury's and ALDI. Is there any particular shopping or supermarket you have in mind?
Sainsbury's, because it's bigger and it's got more options.
I want Morrison's or Tesco. Let's see which one we get. Oh no. You ready?
Dun 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 dun. Oh, I got Aldi.
Okay, and I got Sainsbury's. Yeah.
I feel like I could probably get a lot from Aldi.
Yeah, you can.
So, staples, basics.
And Sainsbury's, I mean, they have everything in Sainsbury's, but it is a bit pricey. I think out of the 4, it's the most expensive. We'll see how far my £25 can stretch in Sainsbury's. But yeah, we'll see you in the shops. Okay, so I'm probably going to get these because I like to card size. Pink Lady apples. I'm getting a little sidetracked with the autumn decor. How cute is this? But sadly it's not food, even though it does say pumpkin.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Some easy things. Sure.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep...
Okay, so we're back from our shop. I'll go first and show you the bits that I picked up from Sainsbury's, and I think I did pretty well actually. I think I'm pretty impressed with the things I got. I don't think I got super essentials, and I'm not going to talk too much about each item because we've got a lot of things to get through, so I'll just kind of whiz through and then maybe give you an overhaul of everything at the end. And remember guys, our budget was £25. I got an apple juice. Oh my gosh. It's like plant-based shrimp, which to be honest, we don't eat much of this stuff, like fake meats and fake fish. It is a bit scary, but I thought, let's try it and see. I got some pasta. It's your first time seeing these items as well. And I got some black olives. These were on offer, these were £1 each. We go through oat milk quite quickly, so I got 2 of those. A Muller yogurt, plant. Oh, yes. Got some pears. I really like these ones. These small crunchy ones.
I don't want to get the thick ones.
I did think that, okay, I thought I got udon, but hey, they're noodles. And then I got a loaf of bread. I got this one, a multi-seed wholemeal.
Taste the difference.
This is essentials. I'm doing quite well. Then I got some oranges. I got some passata with garlic. This I am so excited about.
We were talking about these the other day.
Yeah, plant-based dunkers. I used to eat these so much as a kid. I've been seeing it all over this Facebook group that I follow, this vegan Facebook group, and I've been dying to get my hands on these. So yeah, okay, I got you the chocolate ones. Got some yogurts.
Good flavour.
Yeah. And I got a broccoli, Pink Lady apples. Then I got some carrots, which are super, super long.
Yeah, it's alright.
I don't know if this would like last a week, but it's quite a few bits.
Yeah, 2 meals from that.
Yeah, I think so. Pasta.
Bread. 1 pack of
noodles.
With prawns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or the pasta with prawns.
And
So
broccoli.
yeah, I'll give you a quick overview of everything that I got and then I'll pass the camera to Tash.
Out in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, it's your turn.
Blueberries. Also got some olives.
Okay.
Some bruschetta.
Garlic.
Got some bagels. Guacamole, which doesn't have onion in.
Good.
Broccoli. Some bok choy. Oven fried, skin on
Nice.
fries.
I like that.
Medium noodles.
Tash.
I got some tissue because
Okay.
Zanya's a bit snotty at the moment.
Hey.
Let it roll because we run out.
Yep.
Okay. Oh gosh.
The next bag.
Some meat and garlic crackers.
Yep.
Which sounded quite nice. Some peppermint tea.
Okay.
Which is good. And we always get this dried mango. Got some tofu, which was on offer as well, 89p. Fruit and nuts. And some basil.
Cool.
Random. Oh, and I found this, which I thought was quite good. It's coconut water.
You feel like we kind of got like the same amount of stuff.
Yeah.
I genuinely thought that you were going to walk out with heaps more than I did.
Yeah.
But no, that wasn't the case. Do you want to do like an overview and show everything that you got? Then you can decide in the comments who did best. I think I did better than
Did
you.
good.
None of us
Tofu.
got crisps. None of us
No,
got
trying to
popcorn
stay
or
away from
sweets or anything like that. It's all literally just quite healthy. Okay, that's everything for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Please let us know in the comments who you think did better. I think in terms of once you laid everything out, I realised that maybe you did get a little bit more. So maybe ALDI does take you further with your money. However, I think the things that I got were more exciting. Everything for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't done already, then please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.